my homies. It's so good to see you all here. I'm really loving connecting to you. हमारी बात हर दिन होती है, मुझे पता है. हम बिल्कुल pretend नहीं कर सकते इस बात पे कि हम एक दूसरे से नहीं मिल रहे और बात नहीं कर रहे. But ये लॉकडाउन में शशांक कैसे इनकम्प्लीट नहीं रह जाता अगर तुम लोगों को मैं कॉल नहीं करता. तो I thought let me call you all three together. So
It should have started with us.
It's almost starting only. पहला दिन का ही शूटिंग है और तुम लोग हो उसमें already. Now let's just discuss तुम तीनों का एक एक करके outfit of the day. Let's start with Preeti. Preeti तू बता. वाह इतना सच के क्यों आई भाई तू आज?
सच के नहीं.
I'll
go for a walk after this. So फिर it's not such के देख track pants और normal t-shirt है.
Okay. Niharichka, what about you? Are you trying to copy my OOTD? Stay weird wala?
No. I think this suits both of us. We are like that. Weird.
Is this coincidental or did you like plan it?
No. This is totally
Of course,
coincidental.
you guys have planned it.
No,
please. Preeti, we're not like this, guys. Please.
Okay, and now we'll be back to the person in the room जो generally video calls पे नहीं आती but आज आई है. Why, Tanya? Why are you so over ready for this?
I woke up like this.
Oh, बात हमें में अपने आप उड़ रही है. ये सामने कोई fan चला रहा है.
That usually happens to me. I don't know why, but that usually happens around me. मेरे बाल उड़ते हैं हवा में यार. You तो live with me, तो मुझे पता है ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ generally. I'm not pretending कुछ भी.
सुन हवा में बाल भी उड़ते हैं और लड़कों के दिल भी.
हाँ. I'm not going to comment on that. तो फिर रहने दो.
Okay.
You're not
guys,
going to get anything out of me.
We will now come to the topic why we are doing this. We are obviously doing this to catch up and all of that. But apart from it, what do you think? When is this gonna end? How are we gonna get back to normal? And we will address that issue very lightly, and not in a very serious philosophical way. But how has life changed for us? Because काम तो बढ़ गया है. We all know work from home is not as easy as it looked like, and it's just more hectic. But has anything in life personally or professionally changed for you? Anyone can start. Fritz, तू बता.
Personally. पहले personally, please tell us.
Yeah, personally. But Preeti was living quarantine personally already now.
Very true.
In the smaller room, she was already quarantined herself.
No,
Yeah,
that's
always.
not the case. तो अभी यहाँ पे personally क्या change हुआ है? Personally खाना ज़्यादा मिलता है. Like पहले twice a day meals होते थे, अब 4 times a day meal होता है. So that has changed, and also the workload has increased, and professionally तो वही हो गया. और but these days I'm trying to bring back work-life balance. तो फिर मैं 8 o'clock तक बंद कर देती हूँ laptop. तो
क्या करती है? What do you do, Preeti? What do you do apart from working? Working from home के अलावा what do you do? How do you pass your other hours, and what do you do entirely?
I fight with my brother.
Okay.
And because he keeps on teasing me like Niharika. He keeps on teasing me like Niharika. So yeah, that is something. And also sometimes I doodle and I also read. I've completed that book. Sky Under My Feet.
Oh, nice.
Niharika.
But you took the other book, na?
नहीं ये वाली ली थी.
हम सब ने निहारिका की बुक्स ले लिए बहुत सारे. I know that. Me and Preeti have just borrowed books from Niharika.
Not me. Please don't count me.
Beyond her understanding and remembrance, she doesn't even remember कौन सी book diary किसके पास पड़ी है.
नहीं. I know you have 3-4 of my books and one diary.
Oh my god.
कितनी cheap है भाई. ये ना जानबूझ के बढ़ा के बोलने की बाद में कि चलो एक और आ जाएगा इस बहाने खो जाएगा तो.
And also it's on record because it's being recorded right now, so she can like hold you accountable. कि बाद में मैंने बोला था, it's on video.
Very true, very true. Tanya, what are you doing? How are you treating this quarantine?
It's how I live my life. I just realized कि this is my normal lifestyle, and what you people call quarantine is how I live my life. Generally, just keep घर का कमरा नहीं है, flat 601 वाला नहीं है, अपने घर वाला है. But मतलब यहाँ पे भी आदत है मुझे इस कमरे में रहने की.
हाँ, और क्वारंटाइन में भी तेरा तो एनीवे रेगुलर का रोज का स्केड्यूल था ना, रेडी होके घर पे बैठ जाओ.
सेम है. हाँ, सेम एग्जैक्टली द सेम. जब ready नहीं होना है तब ready मत हो, और जब ready होना है for no reason.
No reason.
अपने लिए बस, that's it.
But are you reading, watching something, anything that you are doing in particular?
And sleeping hours?
No, I'm not doing.
So
No, I
everything-
just talk to my parents बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे, like everybody stays in the same room, सब एक ही room में बैठ जाते हैं, everybody eats together, मतलब बहुत बातें हो गई है, lifetime का discussion, शादी तक सब कुछ, everything has been discussed.
I think
Now
I
there's no
can
discussions left.
relate.
So is
There are
there
no
on that.
discussions that are left now.
शादी तक discussion हो गई तो क्या होने वाली है? Any time soon that we are gonna hear the wedding bells ringing?
You will be the first person to hear because you'll have to come home and talk to them.
Oh,
No, I mean that you'll
come
have
on.
to convince them.
We are cousins, we are siblings, we are 4 cousins on this
Nahi,
team right now.
You didn't understand. You didn't understand what I was trying to say. I was trying to say that whosoever will be the guy, the lucky guy, you'll have to
I'll
come
have
over
to
and
pitch
to
him.
convince my parents.
Oh,
Yeah.
I have to pitch
You'll have
him.
to
You think
convince.
I'll ever
Yeah,
do
you have to
that?
convince my parents that he's a good guy and everything. So you'll have
But
to.
do you think I'll ever do that? Do you think मैं तेरे घर बसने दूंगा खुशी खुशी?
You will if you are a true sibling, then you will.
I'll be the mantra of your life.
No, but
Where did
I
Preeti
think
go?
you will when the right time.
Kya hai? Preeti, we
And
can't
Preeti's
see
on
you over
mute
here.
also.
Yeah, Preeti, you're on mute.
प्रीति अपना वैक्स
Unmute yourself.
अपना अपर लिप कराने की क्या?
हाँ
Oh, oops, she's here.
हो गया अब change. Can you see the change?
Yeah.
But I want to really know ki how are Niharika and Preeti managing without upper lips and
Yeah,
jokes
I don't
even
know.
Tanya,
Yeah.
even we want to
So,
know how
यार
you
मैं तो
managing
भूत हो
before
चुकी हूँ.
without your unibrow getting
I
removed.
have
With
I have
your
no
unibrow.
unibrow. I
With
have no
unibrow.
unibrow, as you can see, because my mom knows how to do some basic threading, so I'm good.
So you got it done from her. That's nice, यार.
थोड़ा
मेरी
सा
mom
बीच का unibrow at least,
useless
shape
है.
वगैरह तो नहीं, but
Yeah.
थोड़ा बहुत.
I did it for
You
my
should
sister,
have also
Baba. I did
learned
it for
it,
my
yaar.
elder sister. She was like कि मेरे पास ये वो razor वाला type नहीं होता लड़कियों का. She's like, I have this, but I don't.
No,
ऐसे
don't do that.
ऐसे वाला वो जो ऐसे
the
करके
razor
तो
one.
ज़्यादा आ जाएंगे. Yeah.
She was
हाँ,
like,
going
कोई
off
तरीका
track
नहीं है,
now.
तुम ही
That's
कर दो.
right.
I was like, okay, I'll help you.
यार I don't know हम
तान्या तो
अंडर आर्म्स
फिर
कैसे कराएंगे
सीख के
after
आए हो
this.
तू. तान्या सीख के
Niharika,
आई हो
let's not
आंटी से.
bring
फिर आके
bad
हमारा भी
things
करियो.
on us.
नहीं.
Be of some help यार.
No, but when do you
Okay.
guys think we'll be back?
Yeah, exactly. We'll cover that. We'll first want to know what Niharika is up to, apart from
But
the
aren't you
quirky-
like tired of video calls? I'm like tired of video calls now. I don't want to do any more video
Me too.
calls.
Me too.
Guys, मेरा professionally
But
video calls हो रहा है. What are you complaining for? You like have.
not
But you didn't
professionally,
attend
I
it.
just-
But you didn't attend it.
I did. I attended it today morning with a
Oh.
shirt on myself and a short नीचे shorts पहनकर. I was sitting like a
But
lame
aren't you
person.
scared कि कभी बीच मीटिंग में उठना पड़ सकता है due to कुछ भी reason हो सकता है.
हाँ, मतलब
You
video
might
off
need
वो
to
करना
get
पड़ता है,
up.
मैं video off कर देता हूँ.
हाँ but तब तो वीडियो ऑफ होगा ना.
अच्छा.
ऐसे ऑन थोड़ी करके रखेगा पूरा टाइम.
But हाँ, Niharika,
Yeah.
what are you doing apart from writing romantic poem and sending it all to your much loved people on Instagram who follow you? What are you doing?
She's studying.
Yeah, that's true. But
I doubt she's the only
this
thing she's not doing.
is a personal attack. This is a personal attack. I'll mind that. But okay, studying a bit of it and cooking, learning cooking, because I think when हम सब वापस होंगे तो कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा मुझे बनाना. So फिर it's good to make some food and make all of you eat and then थोड़ी fake तारीफ ही कर दोगे यार. तो
Fake तारीफ
cooking
ही
is
किए
a
वो तो
थे
ऐसे भी
उसने।
करते हैं.
गंदी
वो
गंदी
तो ऐसे
चाय
भी
बनाती
करते
है।
हैं.
तो
ओए
me, I
ऐसे
make
बेटर
good
चाय
stuff.
बनाती है.
ओह वो बनाता ही नहीं है चाय. और
बनाता
I
नहीं,
also
उसने एक बार बनाई थी. एक बार बनाई थी.
True.
Dude,
कब
मैंने
बनाई?
दाल को ना कॉफी बनाने
कौन
जा
सा
रहा था. My
दिन
sister
था
was
वो?
like, please don't make it.
नहीं बनाई. अरे एक
Please,
दिन जिस दिन when Preeti's friends came over and he's like कॉफी बनाते हैं. निहारिका ये कर दे, प्रीति ये कर दे. Oh, I'll just stand there.
जब first time हर्ष और दिशा आए थे, I remember.
Yeah, right.
And
Yes,
But he
I
didn't
saw
make
that
it. He was just supervising उस दिन.
Yeah.
हाँ,
बताओ भाई.
what he does in the end is कि किचन में खड़े होके हम चारों की फोटो लेता है. That's all he does.
हाँ. And कुछ
In
को
the
भी
end,
selfie
चलो
लिखी.
finalize कि मैंने भी बनाया है.
वही. And then he's like
We have finally.
एक मिनट मेरा
And the only
contribution में
time
काफी
I-
नहीं है.
I mean,
क्या?
the only time I've seen him in the kitchen is जब Mani and Tushar also came in the house and I was
No.
not
He
there.
was
You
not
sending
doing
me-
anything.
I was still taking
But you were
selfies.
sending me But he was
Just
sending
taking
selfies from the
selfies.
kitchen and I was like कि
हाँ,
ये
हाँ, हाँ,
हमेशा जब मैं
yeah.
नहीं होती हूँ, why do I उस समय get selfies from kitchen? I was like ये उसी टाइम जाता है when I am in the house, you're always in the room. You never
नहीं, I
step
think
out
तब
of
भी
it.
इसने कुछ नहीं किया था, उन्होंने ही बनाया था.
There's a
Very much
reason, na,
selfies
Tanya.
Preeti
When
करता
you
है.
are in the house, he is in the room.
That sounds so wrong. Wrong on multiple
प्रीति
levels.
पूरा साल savage रही हुई है प्रीति, आज ही कुछ हो रहा है इसको. Let's give it
My
back to her.
God. और कुछ
Let's
ज्यादा
give
ही
it back.
मतलब
हाँ.
nobody is going to take this in the
अभी
right sense. This needs
yes.
to be edited out.
Okay, I think we need to now address the most important thing that we four are best at. That is creating content and creating gossip of people around us.
Yeah,
So
content.
I think हम जितना
You
भी
can do that.
बोलने की जितना भी लोगों को लगे कि शशांक करता होगा ये सब चीजें, we all know that Tanya is the forerunner of that group. The gossip group that we have
No.
at 601, Tanya leads it. And the
No,
most
I
savage
don't.
No
person in
comments,
that
no
gossip and the
comments.
most mean person in
No,
that gossip
no
is
comments.
Preeti. मैं तो innocent harmless gossip करता हूँ, savage वाला तो
Yeah.
प्रीति करती है भाई.
प्रीति करती है.
क्या?
And Niharika,
नहीं.
and Niharika
Preeti.
goes really dark. Niharika goes really dark. Is
Niharika goes
what people don't know.
very dark.
You know, reverse role नहीं
Niharika
play कर रही.
is a
I
kind of
think some.
person. Niharika is a kind of person जो मतलब I believe कि अगर कोई इंसान disabled होगा तो उसकी disability का भी मजाक उड़ाता है.
I have never done it.
I'm not saying it has
We-
happened, but I can say कि ऐसा हो सकता है.
Preeti, let's just
No.
join hands. This has not happened.
Exactly.
This
You
has
guys are
happened.
playing the reverse
This has
role. You
happened.
guys are playing the
हमें-
reverse
this
role.
I
has
think we have established कि Tanya starts the gossip, Preeti takes it
I don't
to the
start. You
savage
bring
level.
the gossip. You bring the gossip.
I
You
bring
bring
it.
the gossip.
I
Please
bring
admit
it.
that.
Tanya makes
I build
content
it
out
up.
of it. Yeah, builds it up.
Yeah.
Preeti is savage and
Yeah.
Niharika takes it to the darkest corners possible. So yeah, that is that's the process flow of
Circle.
Flat 601.
That is the circle, yeah. Yeah.
So
अच्छा
everybody has a very
Everybody
fine role
knows
in the
the
process.
truth.
Yeah.
अच्छा
Everybody
एक बात
knows
बताओ,
it.
चलो, who has found love in the time of Corona? Is there anyone here who has found love in the time of
Trauma.
Tanya,
Definitely
you
trauma.
know,
किसको?
बहुत हंस
Oh,
रही है.
definitely trauma.
I have lost love at all times in my life
Yeah.
and also at
Even
times.
I will say this here that I have also lost all the hopes which were around.
क्यों भाई, ऐसा
During the
क्या हो
times of
गया?
Corona.
Niharika, why did somebody break your heart?
No, I broke, obviously.
You broke people's heart, so
किसका?
you're hopeful ना कि मिलेगा.
No, I am not hopeful because
But किसका तोड़ा तुमने Niharika? Last बहुतों का तोड़ा.
we have
last
the
किसका
group.
तोड़ा?
We have the group to discuss it.
Oh, you
Let's
want
move
to read
on
it out?
to no.
I guess we'll know when she write a poem about it. So we'll know.
Yeah.
Wait for
right.
that.
Yeah.
1 year down the line.
कविताएं लिखना है.
Niharika
अच्छा.
is making content out of that. हम gossip का content बना रहे हैं. Niharika अपने रिश्तों में बना
Heartbreak
रही है.
का content, right.
How are you handling long distance with your loved ones?
You're going to put this on YouTube, right?
No.
My brother is calling you.
Now I'm gonna.
You're going to cut this part.
No, but I'm gonna.
Why?
now
But
do
this
I
is
loved
good.
ones like Priyanka, Arpita. These guys are
everyone.
very
I mean, all your
nice.
important
Everybody.
range of
Yeah,
friends.
yeah.
All your friends, including everyone. How are you handling it?
Yeah.
How are you holding up?
Yeah, exactly. I talk to them sometimes. They always say you don't talk to us, and फिर वो खुद ही video call कर लेते हैं. फिर
Can you get the undertone? Can you?
And can you see that,
You don't talk to
all
us.
those people who complain to Preeti will see Preeti on YouTube. People will be like,
Yeah.
हमसे नहीं बात करती, YouTube पे videos डल रहे हैं इसके.
they'll
Or,
kill me. They'll call me up
Then
and
Preeti
they'll
will
be like,
share this.
Bhai.
Then Preeti will share
Yeah.
this with them.
This.
No, I won't.
What? You're not gonna promote this, Preeti?
She Preeti yaar.
For that
That
Will
is
we
what-
promote?
But we
Why are we
we
going to
promote
promote this
Express.
content?
We promote Express. Preeti,
Yeah.
you have to do this.
No, I'll promote this, but we
Because
need to
But
Express
edit
she does not like to
something.
promote
होना
bad
चाहिए.
content. But she's like, I don't like to promote bad content. You
Yeah.
promote Express because it's good content.
Yeah.
Not
Someday when I
even
put
promoting
bad
bad
pictures,
But how,
bad
Preeti,
pictures something
complete your story. How do you handle? How are you holding up with all the people from your Tilak Nagar friends, so close friends you had in Tilak Nagar, and everyone? How are you handling? Who are you missing the most?
Oh, Tilaknagar friends, yeah. Disha and Harsh called me up.
Oh, they're still alive.
And like we also had a video call. So and these guys
सब
were
झूठ है,
discussing about कब
कुछ
होगा,
नहीं।
क्या होगा,
अरे मुझे तो
कब वापस
कुछ
जाएंगे
उल्टा
and all.
सीधा ही बोल
They
रही थी
called me
प्रीति
up
यार,
once.
अच्छा,
फॉर्मेलिटी यार।
Is
क्या उल्टा
Disha
सीधा बोले,
Disha
and then
volunteering? Is Disha
अलविदा से
volunteering?
बात हुई थी, प्रियंका से बात हुई थी।
Yeah, this is an important
Volunteering.
question. तान्या जो
No.
पूछ रही है, if she is volunteering.
is Disha also
If she
quarantined or
is
is she working
Volunteering.
as a
Oh
guide?
no,
no, no, no.
volunteering for.
No, 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 she
Yeah,
is not
yeah.
volunteering. She is at home. She's studying.
Oh, okay.
पढ़ती रहती है बेचारी। और फिर अर्पिता से बात हो गई थी, प्रियंका से, और हॉस्टल वाले ग्रुप से भी हो गई थी। That's all. हाँ,
Cool. हाँ. Anyway, we got
सबसे
our
बात
answers. हमें अपना आंसर शुरू में ही मिल गया था प्रीति. So.
हाँ.
Tanya, you tell us, who are you busy chatting, social media, busy, and what are you doing? How are you holding
You.
up? Because your love life is so difficult. You know, you cannot stay away from attention. You're like the Tinkerbell. How are you?
But you're making,
all that attention?
but you're making sure now that I'm not dying of attention. You are showering me with
Yeah,
enough
I am.
attention.
You know, I'm personally texting people on Instagram to go and ping you so that you don't die out of lack of attention.
Who?
I'm
Who have
going
you
to
told
all
this
your
to?
exes
Because
and your
nobody's texting me.
current, your exes and your currents who might be getting bored at home. Either you stop getting bored, text Tanya because she's equally getting bored at home.
No, nobody's texting me. Only you are texting me. As far as I know, only you are.
But that's such a big problem, na? Tu kaise जी रही है?
I'll make sure this is your last video. After this video, you will not be able to post any more videos. There's going to be a stay on all those videos.
नहीं, but
Dead.
और बैंगलोर में क्वारंटीन का क्या हाल है? काफी गवर्नमेंट ने क्या रूल्स निकाले वहाँ पे? Any particular rules?
I don't know about them. I have no clue about
Achha.
Bangalore. I have no near and dear ones there. You might be able to tell me since Jyoti is from there.
No,
Not
Jyoti,
currently there, but
Jyoti is in Kharagpur. She went home, so I'm not aware of Bangalore ka scene. I thought you will be the best person to
neither
tell us.
am I. Neither am I.
Neither are you.
Neither am I.
Okay. Niharika, how is life in other countries that you have people in?
No, they've not gone now because of
Oh, they're here
coronavirus.
only. And Pune, how's Pune ka weather?
Pune people are also in Delhi.
And why are you half in the frame? I know you're obese, but not this much that you have to stay half in the frame.
Yeah, I think it's high time we should break this friendship now. ये नहीं हो सकता. And also ख्याल का सारा काम मुझे दे दे. You can't do it.
So I think
What will happen in the future if Khayal like becomes something and then both of you decide to
we're
part
hoping
ways?
it becomes.
Take me, trust me. Tanya, listen what I'll do. I'll just take my share of money and let her be with the brand. मुझे brand की कमी
But
नहीं
she's
है.
not going to give you any.
No,
No,
I'll
I'll
file
give
a
you
just
money.
saying.
Just
legal
give me
notice,
follow.
na? I'll file a legal notice.
But Baba, it's
I'll
about
give you
fame
money.
also, na? Because it's
Yeah,
it'll give you
I
a lot
don't
of
want the
fame. So
other
you're the
thing.
person who'll walk away from fame.
From fame.
You
You
walk away
तो are
from
not.
fame.
Create another avenue, trust me. I have multiple khayals around khayal.
But then you lose your fame and everything also. with
Yeah,
it, na?
yeah.
कोई नहीं तानिया, फेम तू दिलवा देगी यार. तू इतना फेमस कर रही है, मुझे पॉपुलर किया हुआ है तूने, कंटेंट दिलवा कर हर जगह. So I am assuming something or the other will happen in future. Okay, guys,
Okay.
I think we will step into the next segment of ours, which is called Awkward Questions
Next
with
segment
Shashank.
of ours.
It's called Awkward Questions with Shashank, and we will be going 1, 2, 3 karke, starting from Niharika, going to Preeti, then to Tanya, because that's how you are appearing on my screen. So the first question goes, one stereotype you hate, which is being associated to you. Niharika.
Who are you asking this question, Niharika?
That I wear specs, so I should be nerdy.
Okay, Preeti. One stereotype.
I'm Jat.
Jat, okay.
So
okay.
I must be a typical Jat, yeah.
Okay, Tanya, you.
That I have a lot of boyfriends.
That you're committed, perhaps.
Yeah.
Yeah. One hashtag you hate, Niharika.
Hashtag no makeup look.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing like that.
Preeti, you. Express and reflect, hashtag.
Hashtag stay home.
Oh, you hate that.
You
These
hate
days
that.
I'm
We
hating
all
this.
do. We all do.
All
Tell me what
of us
you
hate.
do. Stop munching on.
Hashtag live, laugh, love. Hate that.
That's one password of something I have at home. I cannot even name it.
Right.
And that's
क्या Niharika?
Yeah, what did she say? What did she say?
हमारे घर पे भी
Live
लिखा है
not
वो.
here.
हाँ,
but I
yeah.
don't like hashtag.
हाँ.
मतलब ठीक है, live, laugh, love is like overused, कुछ ज़्यादा ही use हो जाता है. इतना nobody needs इतना ज़्यादा live laugh
Okay.
love life.
One celebrity you envy.
Sara Ali Khan, because Kartik Aaryan gives attention to her.
Oh God, ये कार्तिक के लंबे बाल और तू. प्रीति, तू one celebrity you envy, and why? Obviously.
I don't envy anybody.
Oh,
No celebrity.
okay. Only Shashank she envies. Next, Tanya, you.
Neither do I.
चल
I don't envy them. I like them. I like them. Like, which celebrity do you envy? Like, can you give me a hint? Maybe I'll get what you're trying to ask.
I
I
envy-
like them.
I envy Bingo.
Why do you
Why?
envy her?
She's got a palace to herself. I think that's the only thing I envy of anyone.
Then I am envious of Karan Johar that way because he gets a lot of like industry gossip, which I don't. I would like to know
That's
so much.
Okay, one app that you're using the most these days at home.
Instagram.
Okay, Preeti, you?
Snapseed.
Snapseed.
Express.
Editing
So,
app.
guys, promoting
app.
Express
Yeah.
here. Guys,
Editing.
promoting
Filter app
Express
है
and
वो.
Reflector.
It's a filter app. Okay, Tanya, how about you?
Express
And
Reflector.
WhatsApp and WhatsApp.
Netflix and Amazon Prime.
Oh, no dating apps, huh?
I'm not on any dating app.
Nobody named a dating app. Amazing. Okay.
And you are to also answer it, na?
Yeah, you
I
are
think
using
I-
dating apps.
I
Are
think
you using dating apps?
I think
Karan, you also have to play. ऐसे coffee with Karan में they say ना, you have to also play. You tell. तुम बताओ.
डेटिंग एप्स पे लेके कोई फायदा नहीं है अभी. इस टाइम पे सब बोर्ड है और इंटरेस्टेड है. क्वारंटीन खत्म होने के बाद रियलिटी पता चल जाएगी. तो आई थिंक वी शुड वेट टिल दैट.
तो तुम कौन सा कुछ सीरियस देख रहे हो, ढूंढ रहे हो? तो why are you like?
Stop demeaning
Oh,
People are bored. People are.
my motives.
How can we
But it's
forget
true.
that?
I'm not demeaning. I'm just being honest.
No. I am looking for something serious now. I think given my
Yeah.
Bali umar, it's high time.
Soy milk के ज़माने में चाय
But you're
पिलाने वाला
looking.
ढूंढ रहे
But you're
हो.
looking for something serious on Tinder.
Who
You're
said
looking for
that?
something serious on Tinder.
No. I am on all social dating apps. Trust me. I'm on from Bumble से लेके Hinge तक everywhere. I'm present. I'm omnipresent for them. The only loyal
No,
customer.
but you're looking for like love on dating apps. I don't think that's going to work out in your case or mine also,
Okay.
or I think anybody in this like chat.
No. Yeah, not here, but I think there are people जिनका चलता है.
I just said
Dating
like
apps
not
space.
the four of us, not the four of us. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
see the
not
four
me.
of us
What do you
doing
think
that.
makes
Yeah.
us different? What do you think that makes the four of us different from the remaining world who are finding love and true love on social dating apps?
I cannot say it for sure because each of us is very different from each other. But yet something binds us together कि dating apps we can't do. मतलब maybe standard.
Yeah.
हमसे नहीं होगा बस. हमसे ना हो पाएगा.
हाँ थोड़ा सा ऐसे standard सा है थोड़ा सा.
Okay. So craziest plays you've made out.
Me?
Yeah, Anushka, will start from you. Yeah, the segment
Corridor?
was awkward questions with Shashank. No?
College corridor.
Corridor. Preeti, at you.
Let me even all of us know it.
Flat 601.
In front of us.
She didn't make out in front of us. She just
Preeti is
Yeah.
that.
College campus.
Okay. And Tanya, what about you?
nowhere.
Nowhere. Okay. Everything was
Nowhere.
every time it was under the sheets and in the room.
Yeah.
No awkward crazy.
Yeah, very private like that.
Okay. Use toothbrush or used underwear? One thing if you have to choose.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. I have also, I think.
Toothbrush.
I was-
Me
Yuck.
too. Me too. I have also done it
But
by mistake.
I have. I didn't know how, but for a long
Yeah,
time,
same.
I thought कि it's my toothbrush, and somebody in the family also thought it was their toothbrush.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
I got to know it's not my toothbrush.
Okay.
But for more than a month or so, yeah. This
Oh my God. Okay. You have been there, done that. Okay. Itchy for the entire life or sticky for the entire life?
Itchy.
Preeti?
Itchy.
Sticky, yaar. How can you be itchy? Sticky, you can still live without. मतलब 2 दिन ना हो, that's sticky. It's okay. I can live with that.
No, itchy
You
is
don't live
good.
with itchy.
Itchy is also satisfying, no?
No.
पूरा time.
Sticky.
Imagine
pathetic
यार, Imagine you on a call and you're itchy. What is this?
Yeah.
नहीं,
प्रीति
itchy
अच्छे
you
से
can't
बता.
do. Sticky is okay.
Sticky,
Sticky is
sticky.
okay.
Okay.
Sticky any day.
Shunning makeup for 1 month or shunning food, junk food for 1 month?
Junk food.
Junk
नहीं
food.
मेकअप जी मेकअप को फेंको. शन करना है भाई. छोड़ना है ना. हाँ मतलब शनिंग मेकअप. प्रीति क्या जंक फूड को शन कर रही है मेकअप प्रीति तो कौन सा मेकअप कर देना है.
इसलिए तो
प्रीति
हाँ,
तो
exactly.
you have
मेरा
to
भी यही
shun
आंसर
it.
था.
इसलिए तो
हाँ, तो
मैं
यही
मतलब
तो
मेकअप
मतलब जो
करती
थोड़ा
नहीं.
तो
और
जो थोड़ा बहुत करते हो वो भी छोड़ दो ना. तो you
हाँ,
just
सब
shun
कुछ
it.
छोड़ना है,
You
सब
have to
कुछ छोड़ना
you have to either quit junk food or either quit makeup. So what are you going to quit? You're going to quit
तो
makeup
junk-
ना ताकि तुम junk food
No,
खा
no.
सको.
But junk food
नहीं,
प्रीति
नहीं,
ये
तुम
dieting
वही-
का कर रही है.
जंक फूड अनहेल्दी है, इसलिए मेकअप
जंक
ले लो
फूड. हाँ,
और जंक फूड छोड़ दो.
क्योंकि मेकअप तो वैसे भी नहीं करते.
तुम पूरे 1 महीने में खा ही नहीं सकते फिर.
कोई बात नहीं, घर का दाल रोटी खा लेंगे.
उन्हें चलेगा. Tanya, they are different from us. We need kibbeh to survive. They don't.
Yeah. Problem है तुम लोगों को.
The worst pickup
They don't
line
even
is
do
you.
makeup.
They don't even do makeup, exactly. Even then, they're okay shunning junk food. Imagine.
हाँ.
Niharika, the worst pickup line ever used on you.
Are you Wi-Fi because I'm feeling? No, इससे better है मेरे पास. Are you Gryffindor because I want to Slytherin?
Hi,
Harry Potter.
Oh my God! Did he get converted? Did you go out for it?
He was already converted. It was just to make up for a fight.
And then did the fight end well, or did you give him a
Yeah.
salute?
Did you guys break up? Did you guys
Did
break
you
up?
break
No,
up
no,
after
no.
this line?
No,
You did.
I think that was the time when I started watching Harry Potter. So I was like, oh, he made a reference out of it.
Oh,
Dummy.
wonder worst pickup lines actually work on people. Preeti Saran, what's the worst pickup line ever used on you?
Nobody used any pickup line on me.
You don't use it on anyone.
I don't think I have used any pickup line on
यार
anyone.
वो रॉकस्टार में होती है ना, प्रीति कैन सूट दैट, गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा तू मेरी, वो वाली.
प्रीति, I think the worst pickup line तो नहीं पता, the worst rejection तेरा वही है कि मेरा जवाब अभी भी ना है.
Definitely.
Tanya, how about you? The worst pickup line ever.
A lot of them in my DM, but I think I have to choose one, and I say, is your father a terrorist because you look like a bomb?
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
That was nice. अच्छा तो था.
सुना हुआ है वैसे. The longest you have gone without kissing somebody. Niharika?
2 years.
Oh
2
my-
years.
I somehow feel sad. Let's answer Preeti. Let Preeti answer. Please.
22 years.
22
Oh,
years.
Preeti,
I was going to say this. I was going to say this.
शर्म कर.
I was going to say
शर्म
this.
कर. Yeah,
I
Preeti,
am going to. I was going to say this. I was going to say
Preeti ka
this. But
answer
it's
is
the
My
longest
question, my answer. His question,
Preeti
my
ka answer is
answer.
2 months. 2 months.
Okay. And Tanya, how about
22
you?
years.
How about you?
I've gone without like, but it's 22 years, na? For 22 years, I had it.
Acha. Okay. Right. Do you know
That's the
that
longest.
this video is gonna go on YouTube and a lot of people are gonna see it and then they'll wonder if
And they get
that kiss-
affected. They
somehow
get
that
affected.
kissing didn't count. But yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So I'm
You are
okay.
gonna
I'm
be in
okay to
trouble.
take.
Huh? What? What?
Niharika,
You tell.
this
You also
this
need to tell.
video video will never like it be reported on YouTube only. You know that, na? YouTube is going to take down this video themselves
also need
because a
to
lot
answer
of
this
people are
question.
going to.
Baba,
report-
I will not. I cannot say it because it's like लोग मानेंगे नहीं. But actually, I've never kissed, so I have only.
Right.
Yeah, same here.
High
Yeah,
five.
I'm the only
High
bad
five.
one.
22 years.
I think then
22 years.
Niharika is a clear
प्रीति
winner.
यार प्रीति को देख लो, शर्म नहीं आ रही से 22 years बोलते हुए.
ठीक है अब
मतलब
जिसको जो मन है बोलने का बोल लो. It's okay. अच्छा, okay. The last part of this segment is a millennial quiz that we are going to take, and we will see who wins it. Who's the most
मैं जीतूंगी.
millennial out of you three?
yeah.
And what are we getting out of it?
You are getting
A
gift card,
social
dinner,
recognition.
dinner.
Social recognition. Everybody will
No,
know
no,
that
no.
you are the most millennial.
That I already have. What else?
What else? I mean, okay, we'll see what we can give you later. Not right now.
Yeah, chalo. Yay, let's
It's an
play.
urban lingo quiz. It's an abbreviation. Who guesses the first will be getting the points, right? So the first one is
I'll fail.
the first one is very easy, Preeti. Very easy. Just be quick and prompt. FYI.
For your information.
For your information.
Okay, Niharika.
मैंने
one.
बोला.
Niharika ji.
अरे I said it the first. अरे
No,
मैंने
no,
बोला,
I said
मैंने.
it. Preeti, तू सबसे
I was
late
the
थी.
first person.
You
मेरी
बोला.
आवाज लेट पहुंची होगी. I don't
नहीं,
care.
नहीं,
मैंने
नहीं.
अपने बाद
I
में
said it
आपको
first, यार.
सुना है और उसके बाद प्रीति एक सेकंड.
मैंने इसका लाग सुना है.
हाँ, देखा.
I was
I
the
think
first
I
person.
think I think
मैंने बोला
I got it. यार, I got it.
first.
Okay,
नहीं,
second
मेरी
question,
बात
second
सुना,
question.
मैंने नहीं बोला.
मैं
प्रीति,
मान ही
ये
नहीं
कैसे
रही.
बोल रही है
मैं
तू?
मान ही नहीं रही.
मैंने बोला भाई पहले मेरे बाद इनका चला है. Out of this
I was the
chaos.
first person.
एक
हम
मिनट,
लूडो
okay.
पलट देंगे.
हाँ हाँ हम अभी मुझे जो आवाज पहले आएगी वही होगा क्योंकि टेक्निकल ग्लिच है भी तो मुझ
He
पर
is the
आवाज
host.
आनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
So
The
yeah,
next
this is not fair.
The next one
This
is
is fair.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, next one. TLTR.
I don't know.
Too long to read.
Yeah, Tanya gets it. Too long to read, which always
wow.
Niharika keeps sending me such messages and I'm like, TLTR, too long to read.
You only taught me this. You only taught me this. I did not know this, but you have taught me this and I've applied that knowledge.
Yeah,
Somewhere. I didn't know it कभी काम आएगी जिंदगी में.
Okay, BTDT. BTDT.
I have no clue. This is
तो
very
BTS
difficult.
होता है.
क्या? Preeti, क्या?
Behind the scenes तो BTS होता है.
Thank God I heard something else with BD. I was like, क्या बोल क्या रही है?
I क्या है? BTDT क्या है? Bedtime, daytime, I don't know.
No. Been there, done that.
Oh, I say that all the time, but I don't know. BTDT बोल सकते हैं.
Achha, Niharika, somehow your
Next
screen
time,
is
next.
frozen. Your screen is frozen, Niharika. We can't see you.
नहीं, Niharika is not moving only. She's
Yeah. So the last question of the urban millennial lingo is HAND.
HAND.
Yeah.
Hand.
Yeah, hand. But yeah, what hand? HAND is when Preeti meets everyone and she, you reach office and everyone reaches office and says HAND. Especially Sana uses it a lot. So
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. हाँ.
Sana uses it. I will like have a nice day.
Nice day.
Niharika, you to believe in this ki you are not a millennial, you are this old school person and you need a typewriter and all of that.
Yeah, I do.
Tanya and Preeti, तुम्हारी life खराब होने वाली. She's gonna buy a typewriter and put it in
I
that
want to do
6:1.
that. Because
और
the point
वो-
is, no. The point is कि मैं हाथ से नहीं लिखना चाहती है. वो मेरे से इस पे नहीं लिखा जाता फोन पे. तो typewriter is like free.
तो टाइपराइटर में ऐसे बैक कर सकते अगर गलती हो गई तो
नहीं,
हाँ,
नहीं.
होता है. निकालने की घर पे. अरे
नहीं
होता
कर
है
सकते.
भाई.
इंक होती है भाई. इंक है तो कैसे
How
एक
can
बार
you
टाइप हो गया तो
remove
कैसे
ink?
हाँ
Yeah, you
कैसे
cannot
remove
remove space.
नहीं
You have to
हटा
remove the
सकती.
paper.
क्या
हाँ.
you?
Have to
उल्लू.
remove the paper. Loose sheet हटाना होगा.
Yeah.
No, you are wasting. You are also wasting a lot of resources. I have to do this for myself.
Oh
Sorry.
my God, Tanya.
एक गलती के लिए you have to remove that.
Tanya
entire-
समझ में आया मेरे.
तक होगा हर दिन.
मेरे को भी नहीं सही लगा.
नहीं होगा. नहीं होगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा.
Find a new
मतलब I don't
flatmate.
mind that. मतलब ठीक है कर ले कोई
नहीं तो
फर्क नहीं
सबसे
पड़ता.
पहले ये आकर ही लिखेगा उस पर. जाने देखियो मेरे से पहले भी
पर-
मैं ले जाता हूँ.
मैं आके लिखूंगा नहीं, मैं अपना नाम लिख के चला जाऊंगा.
ये उसके बाद
Insta-
फोटो शूट करके जाएगा.
इंस्टा कैमरा
अच्छे से ओल्ड स्कूल आना चाहिए. थोड़ा व्हाइट कुर्ता पहनता हूँ. कुछ व्हाइट
हाँ.
करके.
I'm gonna do a photo shoot, definitely that, but I'm not
Yeah,
gonna use it.
seriously. ऐसे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर बन के बोंगलो बाबू.
Mongola Babu, oh my God. People are
God,
going to throw rotten
Besti.
tomatoes at you.
Tasty. I only hate Bengalis because of you. Because you represent them. I love Jyoti, but I hate you.
But I don't represent
It
Bengali.
means that yeah, that's why because I think I love authentic Bengalis, but I don't think I like you.
Achha, chalo. At
But
least
now then
one thing-
again there
at
is
least one
Costa,
thing
so
on
no,
the
I don't
call
like
is-
Bengalis.
But Tanya, I think at least the best part here, what happened out of this conversation right now in the end was one fact got established that you don't like me. Unlike what others think about us.
Yeah, if you have to discuss that, then it'll be a different video altogether, and it'll be very difficult to explain that.
Establishing something is different and having something is different now.
Achha. Oh, Preeti, do you want to throw a little more light from personal experiences on that?
Connect the dots.
No. Bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Have a nice
I
day.
think I'm just going to say that from my side, I can say that I am not interested in Shashank, but
Yeah.
whatever is from Shashank's side, that I cannot throw
Chalo.
light on. That only Shashank
I
can say,
think
and that is very me.
Shashank and people anyway know that he's not interested.
Yeah. Yet they speculate. Yet everybody on your side speculates. Nobody on my side speculates.
But on my side, people are speculating it's the other way around, actually.
Why will they speculate and why will they bother you if it's the other way around?
Okay, so
Then it's not their problem, na? If it's the other way around.
चलो ठीक है अब हम लोग बस इस वीडियो को एंड करेंगे very soon with only the last segment to this entire thing, which is called office gossip. One colleague who you think is the best dressed in office, female, and we cannot name each other. Let's not name each other from this. Okay? One
And we
female.
can name
colleague.
ourselves.
We cannot name
No,
ourselves
because I
and
used to-
one another.
I used to like Deepika's dressing sense.
A lot.
I think Asheen also dresses well. Like whatever she
Yeah.
suits her.
Tanya, you find anyone well dressed, or is it a clear no?
Rajesh.
But female, na Baba, female mein best
Oh,
dressed.
sorry, female. Abhigna.
Oh, okay. The most polite male colleague. Preeti,
Adi?
who? Sorry.
Adi.
Adi.
Saqib.
Saqib. Okay. One colleague, male or female. Now we'll go male or female. One colleague who you think is the funniest in office.
Me.
That is Adi. Adi or Saurabh.
Me, guys, say me.
Adi.
Say
You're
me,
not
right?
funny. You're funny at home,
Huh?
not in office.
पूरा दिन की कर देती है what is this? मैं बात नहीं करती तुझसे ऑफिस में इसलिए jealous.
अरे हम बात नहीं करते या आप बिजी होते थे ऑफिस में?
हाँ, okay.
हाँ तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं ही बात नहीं करती थी तुझसे.
Yeah.
Okay. The most, the one person who you think should turn up his or her confidence game in office.
How can we say it? ऐसे
Let's say it's somebody who you think should be a little more confident in their mannerisms and all of that. It's a
Shashank.
constructive criticism, right? Shashank. fine.
Shashank.
But all of us have decided we'll not name one another. So yeah. Anyone else apart from Shashank?
Ankit.
Maybe. Like, why is it?
Nihayaka, I would like to make this clear that I do not agree with your opinion at all.
Oh God.
I would like to clarify that, please. Just because I'm part of this call does not mean that I'm in sync with this opinion. I'm raising
Yeah,
an
this is
objection to
just
this right
opinion.
now.
Me, Preeti, Tanya disagree with what Niharika just said.
Okay, just said.
There is not a dislike button, but I will dislike this.
And what
Yeah,
about
but my
you?
answer,
Ankit. Tanya, you answered Ankit.
yeah, I answered him.
And Preeti, what
I
about?
answered Shashank now.
Acha, oh, okay.
अरे हम अपना नाम नहीं ले सकते.
नहीं ले सकते यार Preeti, but I'll let you put a dagger through my heart again, so it's okay. चलो. And
But
one
should I
person.
need to be more confident? That's
फिर तो ऐसे मैं अपना नाम ले लूं. अगर अब लेना होता है.
हाँ प्रीति बोल अब यार. Don't do this. Don't be a.
हाँ यार प्रीति वैसे भी रिस्क लिया मैंने.
Ankit.
Ankit. Okay. One person who you think is unnecessarily confident and shouldn't be.
And we can't take your name.
You have to take the name of that person.
But we cannot take your name for this because
Yeah,
it is
you
you.
cannot take my name. Okay, apart from me, one person who is
Apart from
unnecessarily confident.
Niharika. बोलो.
We cannot take ना हम चारों में से किसी का नाम.
हम आज
नहीं निहारिका has to say ना answer.
Niharika, start.
नहीं मैं निहारिका का नाम नहीं ले रही मैं बोल रही
Anyone can
निहारिका you
start.
start.
Anyone can start. Preeti, you can also name. If you have a word in your mouth, just say it. Anyone.
Yeah.
should be less confident.
Yash. Yeah.
Yash.
Unnecessarily confident is Yash.
Okay, Preeti, what about you?
Not needed.
Yash, I'll also say Yash.
Yash and Sumit also. I have two. Sorry.
Although I have another name, but then I know that person is on your Instagram, so I'll avoid it.
I know it. I think we all know.
But then not. But don't you think everybody is on Shashank's Instagram? So maybe we should like specify the initial at least.
No. Let's just.
So it's clear to everybody else on Instagram.
Yeah. Okay, one final question.
Yash only.
Yash. Oh, yeah, I thought you answered already. You didn't. Okay, one final answer of office gossip. Who do you think is the person who takes a lot of is not diligent with his work, does not take work seriously at office?
You want us to say it?
Yeah. Apart from me, if you're naming me, so maybe apart from me, if you think I'm not diligent and sincere enough.
Yeah,
Itna
somebody
sochna
from
padta.
success manager only.
Oh.
Somebody from your group. If you
Okay.
could take anybody from your group for that matter.
Achha, chalo,
So
okay.
let's just name the teams.
Tanya has gone against the entire group of success managers. What about you, Preeti?
I think somebody from my team, I'll say. Maybe.
You mean project managers?
Product
Achha,
Oh
manager.
yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
product.
yeah.
I
Product
also agree.
manager,
I
yeah.
agree to Niharika.
Oh
I
my.
agree with Niharika.
Okay, so you three have agreed to an unsaid name and an unknown identity, and I am assuming I get it. And or if I've not yet got it, I'll get it on the group that we have on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys. It was great and amazing. And we all know who won the Urban Millennial Lingo quiz, which was Tanya Kilam, Niharika Kudin, and Preeti. We were not even rooting for you, trust me. It was great connecting with all of you.
But
And
still, I answered more questions than Niharika.
yeah, definitely that you did. And
Yeah, because Niharika had a technical glitch. Even that could not help.
Yeah.
But okay, we
Chalo,
will
bye-bye.
anyway be connected 1,000 more hours and we can go on and on. But for this recording, we'll
Yeah.
keep it here. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye,
Good
kids.
night.